Hi there, this is the third asanas for my friend Blair. It's great to see everybody here. We're going to do this to release the hips like the first series we did. So it's using that breath again, in through the nose, into your skull, and we'll breathe out through the mouth. Nice big giant loops. That's great, big loops. Really releasing the hips. The hips, the curse of modern day living, sitting down a lot. So by releasing the hips with hip rotations, it's great for the adductor muscles too in the hips, the whole pelvic girdle. Great. And then just the other way. We're going to do both rotations, just letting go with the out breath. In breath. You'll feel the difference after a while, after you've been doing it for a few weeks, practicing in your body. You'll be feeling lighter. Your movements will be a lot effortlessly. But the main thing is just practicing, continuously practicing, guys. Just a little bit, even if you don't want to do it. Just trick your mind into saying, oh, I'll just do a couple minutes. And I've done that in the past, so you can do that. Just breathing in and out. The breath's really important in yoga. It's the bridge between the body and the mind. And when you get your breath flowing with the poses, like in a couple poses we're going to do in this session, the third session, it adds power and strength to all your asanas, poses in yoga. And it also helps release tension and give equilibrium to the mind, because the mind in modern day living, with the way people eat, is going up and down like a seesaw. It's not sattvic eating, which is another topic. So just let that go. We're going to do the bench stretch there. I'm just going to bring out the chair. It's just a great way of opening up your hammies and your underneath the arms here, and yeah, just a great way of elongating the spine. So we're just going to hip width apart your feet, just a little bit over hip width I like, and I like to put the fingers out straight, and then I just like to use the breath, breathing out. Just releasing under the armpits, elongating the spine, and pushing back into the hamstrings. But remember, super comfortable in the pose. This is really good for opening up the hamstrings, for freeing under your armpits, for elongating your spine. Keep going, keep opening up. And then just gently coming up. Awesome. Awesome. I'll just put the seat back. So the next pose we're going to do, it's called Salute to the Sun, and it's just a basic one. This is a really powerful pose because it's a dynamic series of poses. It's a little bit more advanced, but it's a matter of getting it. You can fine tune it and work at it. It's something you can work at. I usually do quite a few rounds each day, or most days, and it helps basically energize your whole body. But we're just going to do one round here, and I'm going to do it really slowly. And I don't expect everybody to get it right straight away. It's something that you just work at, guys. Blair, you just work at. You're not trying to flip them. You know, the only thing is it's just a matter of being consistent and working at it. Over time, it'll just be in a natural flow for you. So I'm just going to do it really slowly, and we can go. I'm going to go both sides, and I'm going to just do one rep. And this is extremely good for aerobic fitness, for giving strength to the body. It's one of the most powerful series, but very simple series. If you master it and you do it consistently, it'll just transform your whole body. So it's just called Salute to the Sun, which a lot of you guys know, and it's very, very beginner friendly. So I might just bring the mat over a little bit, just to get it going. So we're just going to go Salute to the Sun. Breathing in. And then just a prayer pose. And then I'm just going to jump down and pushing back. And then going up into down dog. You can put your feet up, Blair. You can put your feet down. And then jumping forward. Putting your hands up. Prayer pose. Pushing down and up. First pose, you rotate your back foot in, step forward, bending your leg, palms out. Just have a go at it. It doesn't matter if you get it wrong. Coming back down again. Up dog. Rotating your right foot back. Back down, up. Keeping your legs, this leg nice and bent, back leg stretched. Looking along like an archer. Up again. Up dog. Down dog. You can put your heels off the ground initially. Using that breath. And then just jumping forward. Great, so that was Salute to the Sun. Blair, so everybody enjoy it. It's an awesome way to go. And so what we're going to do now, we're just going to finish off with a nice rejuvenating child's pose. No arms out. Just releasing the breath, focusing on the breath. Great, just slow the breath down now. Nice deep belly breath. Great, so what we're going to do now, we're going to lie down in Shavasana, and we're going to put our palms up and we're just going to relax. This is the energizing, taking in all the prana we've worked at getting. You can use that mudra. This is when your feet, fingers, forefinger and thumb are linked. That's yoga mudra. Nice deep belly breaths. And breathing out through the mouth, just letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Breathing in and then just melting into the ground. Feeling light and energized. Not a care in the world. Free. Awesome. So that was the third series for Blair, my friend Blair, but everybody can use it. It's something that is really good to get into yoga. It's changed my whole life. I've progressed over the years, bit by bit, and I've met some wonderful people, yogis I've trained with, had magical experiences with them. They blew my mind, and so it's a beautiful path to walk. So just keep at it. Initially, you'll go through a lot of things. This always happens when you get on the path. So best of luck. Namaste.